What is up, guys? Welcome to the first Privon video. It's a pleasure to be here. It's a pleasure to really start this up now and start this YouTube up and get everything, get the ball rolling. I just want to thank you all for all the support we've been getting recently on all the socials and everything. So that's been super good. So thank you for that. And also definitely consider joining the free Discord. It's in the link we put below the video. But there you can obviously start your journey with us. And then if you feel like really upping your game, you can check it out also. But just having you there with us is already a plus. So anyways, not going to ramble on for too long. Just thank you all for the support. I'm getting messages on my glasses. But yeah, just, looking forward to what's to come. And, first video feels good. But yeah, I'll let future me take the relay here and kind of run you through today's price action and everything. But sorry for the late video as well. Just starting to get used to like everything. But, hope you guys like it. And thank you again. And I'll see you throughout the video. What is up, guys? Today we're going to be reviewing today's New York session trade that we had signaled in the group, and also just a lot of people took it. A lot of people also took other trades because we have a lot of very talented people in our group. But the main trade we're looking at today is kind of this long off New York Open, as you can see here. So let me just give you an idea of what all these lines are before you get confused. So here I just marked out, I was in the 4 hour, I think. Yeah, 4 hour. No, sorry, 1 hour. 1 hour, mark these lows. Sorry, I had marked that high as well before it got absolutely destroyed. So I'll just put it back here for a moment. But that is CISD, so we'll keep that in mind. Goes to retest it probably, which is pretty cool. But anyways, so what do we got here? Yes, so here is, okay, so we got market open. We go a bit bigger, manipulate. So we had already taken out these previous highs that I marked out, so these are relative equal highs, right? So we took those out with this candle that was actually pre-market that we dumped. I was looking at these lows over here, trying to see if that accumulation or engineered liquidity, if you're familiar with that term, was going to get ran. So we go, boom, market opens, take out those highs, start running towards those lows. Obviously, we got to take out sell side liquidity before we can actually push up, and same goes for the other way, right? But honestly, we just had a couple of highs here to take out, so not too concerned about that. But you can see, we went to try and take that out. So we have quad equal highs pretty much there, just like waiting to get swept, you know what I mean? And once we kind of failed to get all the way there, I was like, okay, we're gonna kind of try push down, and if we don't, we're gonna go take what's below before we can go, right? Kind of like we did here, you know what I mean? All of these, we did leave a little bit of stuff here, but overall, everything kind of makes sense here. So we go, boom, go up. So here a lot of people were thinking shorts, and I can see why, because there's just a lot of displacement to the downside, right? And potentially aiming for these lows, right? And obviously, what do these market makers want to fucking do? They want to play with our feelings, so they want to go and do all of this stuff and basically edge you and then go to the other way. So what I was thinking here is also what I look at to kind of determine bias, right, is are we leaving any gaps, and how are they being respected for our bias, right? So on the way here is just chop, right? But when you start seeing like market open, what do we see? Downside, upside, really nothing. And then we start to create some gaps to the downside that just get absolutely ran through, and we start, wait, yeah, I know. And so before you guys continue with the video, if you guys could please subscribe and like, it would really help us out at Privon to really push the name out there. And hopefully you guys are liking the video. But yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, these just get absolutely ran through. I mean, we create order block after order block, and then just a lot of good displacement to the upside, creating a unicorn as well. So that's what I got marked out here. So we got unicorn here with an order. So it's basically breaker block. I mean, if you're not familiar with unicorn, breaker block with an order block or a fair value gap in it. Lucky us, we have both of those here. So we don't really know what to target, which is a bit annoying, right? But basically what I did in this case as well is I basically went and marked that whole breakout leg. I got it. Really clean setup, honestly, made me very happy. I don't know why you could have entered down there, but honestly I think that's pretty good up there as well. But anyways, if you're more aggressive, want to take 7-9, you can go down there. Even better RR, to be honest. But let's see, we can check that out after. So we had change in state of delivery right here, right? Let me extend that over here. Boom, bam, CISD. So we got that CISD over here, IFVG, bearish gap, and then we create obviously IFVG with a huge displacement. So if we were to go into replay here and check that out, I mean, I like that. I really like that displacement, right? And so what I'm going to wait for here in this case, I mean, I've already kind of marked my fib for what was there before, right? But realistically, I'd like to, in this case, I'd be here looking to take shit from here, you know what I mean? Or see stuff come down here. But either way, just waiting for the moment, right? Because we have strong displacement. You don't want to miss that, but I always go for high probability setups. So I'm just waiting for this pullback so we can go back up, right? So anyways, we create that gap. Now we have 7.5 there, 7.9 right there, right? And that's perfectly aligning with that gap, just making me pretty happy. So we can, you know, base ourselves off that. So we have that high now marked out with the fib off the breakout leg. Keep that in mind, breakout leg, not the whole leg, because otherwise you wouldn't have anything to put it on. That's what's actually important. So anyways, keep going. Where are we? Boom, boom, boom. What is that? Entry. Okay, perfect. Enter. And off we go. Boom. Literally, what is that, bro? What is that? What is that, bro? If you had entered off 7.9, literally to the tick, bro. 0 ticks of drawdown. I would usually enter 7.05. 7.9 is clean as well, but we had that. So, bro, 3 points of drawdown if we entered at 7.05. If you enter at 6.2, which is, yeah, where I would have entered 7.05. 350. That's pretty nasty, to be honest. So 3 points drawdown, and then we just keep going. I kind of marked the standard deviation before, but yeah, standard deviation of the first what's it called, first distribution leg that we got there. So wait, let me pull that down. But yeah, so I would be aiming for 4 to 4.5, and I would gate on every level. So just keep going here. Bam, bam, bam, bam, bam. Nice. Wick 4.5, right? But right there, I would have gone out around here, probably, if I'm being honest with myself. I would have gated to that gap. Maybe even, I would have gated to that gap. So yeah. What is that? 4.5 RR. If some of you were less greedy, I guess, and you just had TP there, that would have been a 5.17. So that's not actually bad. And then if you had oh wait, no, I misplaced my stop. That's why the RR is so bad. Yeah, just discretionary stop right there. And there we go, 6R on that. Very nice trade in my opinion. But yeah, so anyways, that was main trade I've been looking at today, and that's the one I took. Then if we keep going, pretty sure we go up and then down, right? So here,
Guys are gonna laugh. Oh, look at that. Little bit of a head and shoulder situation going on here, right? Little tiny shoulder, right? So I like that displacement. I like that we made a lower low, broke all of those lows, and we have good candle closure. So in this case, very PB of me, but I would take CE of here, have my stop at that high, even if you could put it up there as well. But sorry, my glasses just turned on. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so anyways, entry here. Bro, my mom's calling. Wait, give me a sec.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Alo. Evet, ne oldu?
Yok, şu anda eşyalarını buradan alıver.
Alacağım. İniyorum bir saniye.
Çanta, ceket.
Evet, yemeğimi de yiyeceğim. Daha yiyemedim. So. Çünkü iş yapıyorum. Sormaz. Hadi. Okay, seni öpüyorum. Öpüyorum seni. Okay, so sorry about that. So basically, yeah, take it off the CD. I'm gonna take it around there, but yeah, take it there, maybe a bit higher. Yeah. So right there, stop right there. See how it goes. Wickerson.
So nice.
Targeting those lows, and then you can go. Yeah, targeting those lows. I think that's pretty nice. 3R, not too bad. Don't hate it. Oh, what's that edge? What is that edge, bro? What is that edge? Bro. I mean, the thing is, like here, you would go break even, but I mean, off that rejection, I have a feeling it's just gonna go back up. But yeah, see, bro. So anyways, don't go break even, guys. Just take the losses. The losses there. I mean, go break even if you have really high conviction and you really don't want to lose anything. But I'm pretty sure we have to go take those lows. Yeah, see, TP smacked right there, and then I'm guessing probably gonna keep going a bit lower after this. Yeah. So yeah, that was my 2 trade ideas for the day. And obviously, if you guys need any help with anything, please let us know at Privon. Obviously, the link will be on my bio and on Rhonda's bio and on everyone's bio that is mentoring with us. So I think overall, pretty decent day today. Sorry, that's not actually the TV, but yeah, pretty decent day today. Seen some good trades from everyone, so it's good to see. It makes me happy, and we've had a lot of winning going on. So guys, do not hesitate to try out Privon for free. Obviously, because we have the free Discord link, but then if you really want to take it to the next level, you can go and do that by either contacting one of us about it or just going on the wall and doing it yourself. But obviously, we do one-on-one mentorships, and we do, you get all of this very juicy stuff in the Discord that you wouldn't get otherwise anywhere else. And we will be upping prices soon because Rhonda just realized that his info is basically worth like 10K. So yeah, go get it before it actually gets to that price. But yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will hopefully be back for tomorrow. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you have and you're here watching this, there are a lot of giveaways coming soon, so maybe the others didn't know about this, but definitely join the Discord in the bio. And it's been a pleasure for me to obviously review these trades, but also kind of interact with you guys in the Discord. So if you guys haven't joined it yet, please do. If you guys haven't liked the video, please do. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It really help us. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys, we'll be back for our next one. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day, we will see. But we're trying to get daily uploads in. And yeah, definitely follow all the socials. And we'll hopefully see you in the Discord. See you soon, guys.